Alright people, big up on yourself and welcome. Welcome to the channel. This might be the first part of a two-part interview. I'm joined by my friend Cavill Jerome Williams. We go far back, long time. I know him from, as Jamaicans would say, oh yeah, they are knee.
Grassroots.
Yeah, grassroots. He's interested in he's interested in YouTube. He wants to start creating content. So I thought I'd conduct a little interview so we can share his personality with you guys. Make the thing as transparent as possible. Cavill. Or Jerome. I always call him Cavill, people. Jerome or Cavill?
It don't really matter.
Alright, we work with Cavill because of that me used to from grassroots.
Yes, grassroots.
Yes. So I want to tell the people why you're interested in YouTube. Why you want to do YouTube? Why you want to become a creator?
Okay. Why I want to be a creator? From ever since, when we talk and tell story, my friends and family always a laugh. And we used to go to primary school, we used to run. When the bell ring, we used to run, go home, or watch cartoon, our favorite movie. So that inspired me from a little to want to take up it in a hand and start do it. And then we get older and see my friend Akeem start do it, it motivate me even more for want to do it.
Like that, I appreciate that. You know, say a whole heap of people tell me say I motivate them to create content and not for go off too much on a tangent, but I swear like I feel so accomplished. Like this YouTube and video editing, I feel so accomplished by it. A long time then you're interested in the arts then, man.
Time, but it work for me I do any time. I never have the time, but now I have the time and I have the passion for it.
And that is the next thing, you know. Because I can tell you, YouTube it is no different from work, really and truly. But it might not feel that way to the person that is passionate about it. Because you know what I mean, so when you do something you enjoy,
Yes.
you know, feel like work. Yeah. Next question I want to ask you, what kind of content you plan to give people?
Okay. One of the issues that is serious and happening in our society. Me also want to do comedy too. You can have a laugh, you can sit down, watch with the whole of your family and friends, from your grandmother to your mother to your grandfather to your father, and with the kids and the whole family you can sit and have a laugh. And at the end of the day, you still learn something about
That
it.
sound good. That sound good. We're not gonna hear no expletives, no kind of sexual content.
Certainly not.
Alright, so you plan to do comedic content, like in what form though? So I gotta like skits and
I'm gonna
movies.
do skits and also movie.
Alright.
So look out, a lot of great things gonna happen on Cavill's official channel.
Alright, wonderful. And people wanna know me as the pro editor. The video man, as you know, like call me when you see me in the streets. Because to be honest with you, I'm not much of a actor. I mean, I can get the work done, you know, if I'm called on to play a role. And as you know, that's it. You know, the movie Friend Zone with the late Lexi, may her soul rest in peace. And quite a few other movies. So I know some I can do my thing. But where I shine is the editing, people. That is from ever since you know me from B-roll days. And I say that for say, I'll be lending my support to Cavill, Jerome Williams. I'll be lending my support to him where the editing is concerned and all of that.
Really appreciate. Akeem is also a teacher too. That's what he's not telling you guys.
What do you call it now? What call the people in the cricket we do?
Umpire.
No man, then keep, then bowl, then bat.
Oh,
What do you call them again, man? All rounder. Alright. We know the kind of content where you plan to upload, family friendly. We know say your passion come from way back when. What kind of person are you?
I'm a jovial person. I like to play football and also video game. I'm a person that you cannot see and walk up to and have a conversation with. I'm definitely that type of person from ever since. Yeah.
Alright, tell me something now. I think people that like to know an individual at them worst. Like when Cavill did at him worst. Like when he probably, I'm not saying no. When somebody upset you, like really upset you. Like what kind of person are you in a situation like that?
Okay. For the most part, I get really quiet because I know when you're angry, you don't make good decision. So I
Alright.
try to hold it and be quiet until I cooled off.
You know, say me I have a whole heap in a common. Because anybody will tell us, anytime you upset Larry, you just get quiet. But next thing I'm always do to like, it depends on the circumstances. Because me as a man, me just disappear too.
Yes.
You understand?
Me do that too.
Yeah man, when I get upset man, I just disappear. I just be gone. You understand? Yeah.
Get myself out of the space there and find your own little circle.
Yeah man. Alright. So, give a little history now, like the community where you come from. Tell me about the community before you tell me about the experience in the community. Tell me about the community that you are from.
The community is a family community. It's
Family
one of those community where majority of people them are family in a
Right.
community. So you grow up come here say that your cousin, that she are your grandmother, uncle. So it's a very tight
So,
family community.
alright. So, you da describe the name of the community though.
The name of the community is Strawberry. A lot of persons
Strawberry.
laugh when they hear the name, but
They don't have no strawberry up there by the way.
Yes,
Here,
yes.
they don't have no
that's a
strawberry.
question that
I don't
people
know,
always
yeah.
ask me. I don't know either. Grow up come here say name
You
Strawberry.
name strawberry, you don't know strawberry no.
No, Strawberry.
Would I describe it as one safe community? You know?
Yes, it's
A
safe.
safe community.
It's a safe community.
Safe community. It's a country place. You understand? So you don't have current to go water problems,
yes.
same way. And the road, G's and P's, the road then terrible man. So it's a community like that. So you can say where I come from humble beginnings.
Yeah, humble beginnings.
And the reason why you guys are just being introduced to Cavill, because now I follow me for a long time, so I know my whole story. We split up from primary school.
Going to high school.
Junior high. Primary and junior high. So
junior,
it
yeah.
go from grade 1 to grade 9.
Grade 9.
Grade 1 to grade 9. And then you da do the GSAT at grade 6. Hold on, how people that normally reach grade 9 again?
If you don't pass,
If you don't pass.
yes, you continue to grade 7 from
Okay.
primary and junior high.
So at the time, so I left before you did?
Yes, repeat an extra year in grade 6 and then you do GSAT and you pass and you do the next year and then we go to high school.
Okay, so we split up from then. And then, alright, tell me a little bit about your high school experience. It was, where your high school? Godfrey Stewart.
Stewart High School.
How would they say, how the motto go? The end crowns work or the best is good? How the motto go again?
Godfrey Stewart motto.
The best is good, the best is good, only the best is good enough.
All is the best is good enough.
Yeah man, only the best is good enough.
High school days, you know, it be like mixed reaction. You have little good, little bad. Because when I go high school, I start realize certain things because nobody supposed to go name brand shoes nor back. When I reach high school, I realize.
You want to know, say, continue, I'm not stop
Yes.
it.
Reach high school, I realize that for me shoes, I don't know name brand shoes on my bag. I don't know name brand bag, you know. So when you be yourself, you find out so you have to be in a hype, and I was not that type of person. So it's always good and bad.
I realize more and more because I don't think we ever have a conversation like this. Because when the younger, they just football, kind of something.
Cricket, to kick back up on the road, ride up on a bicycle. Because whenever I used to look at those things like brand, you have a brand bag, brand shoes. Anytime I reach a high school in 7th grade, we start realizing if a person consider cool or take it serious, you have to have certain type of bag, certain type of shoes, you have no certain type of person.
So that affect you? That did affect you no kind of way? Did you feel left out no kind of way?
Sometimes
Sometimes.
you feel left out.
Yeah man, because me in high school, from reach high school, I just want to go back to primary school. Can I tell you?
Yeah, because when you are primary school, you find out say you're the man, and you reach a high school, a total different ball game. Remember the first time me go to high school, I saw one youth with vice coach and for principal. Trust me.
So on a scale of from 9 to 10, or when I describe your high school experience then, in a nutshell, would I say it was a good experience or A bad experience or
It was a learned experience.
a learning experience?
Yes, a learning experience because I learned a lot from high school. A
Alright.
lot.
So from high school now, you further your studies are you went
No.
straight into the working world.
I went straight into the working era, working world. And
And how was that now?
how was that? That was a next experience. Yeah, because now you gotta work with supervisor, manager on your back. So you find out say the little chill vibes we used to, that's no more.
So me not gonna ask you. Your patient had to be tested.
A lot.
So in circumstances like these, right? When your patient was tested, would you be that individual that you got quiet and you disappear, or like you try to communicate for sort out whatever?
At first, the friends said not all the time being quiet work.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you have to be vocal. You gotta talk out what happened so people can understand. Because they have a saying that silence is consent. And that is not always true.
I know say in this YouTube space it is kind of similar, because if you plan to do skits and so, you're going to have individuals coming from all over with different beliefs, different background. I know if you're leading a thing, you have, like, you're going to find that you're going to be in the position of your supervisor,
Yes.
right? And then you're going to have to be managing people with different personality, different beliefs, different perspectives. So, have you ever had any experience in managing people before?
Yes. Yes, I have experience in managing people, but it's not always a good experience because everybody belief and background is different.
Right.
I come from a humble beginning. A person that does not come from a humble beginning not gonna see what I'm saying. Whereas if they don't have the interest in learning, that is the next issue.
Alright. Sound like you're on a good track, man. And then you have me with the experience here to show you a lot of things, because I've been a part of a team before, and in my experience I can tell you that it caused me to have more appreciation for the professional environment. You understand? Because I see in the YouTube space where you have people come from all different spaces, and because you don't maintain a professional space, you realize that it deteriorates. Because
Foundation.
yeah, man, you can have certain things, even though it's not a business per se, there are certain things where you still have to uphold. Like, you can't have persons just fraternizing and the touching and the sexual innuendos and them kind of things.
Yes.
Like, persons will feel disrespected, and you understand? So yes, it
Feel
caused
like
me
it's
to.
not a professional work you're doing.
Yes, yeah, man, you feel disrespected, you feel like persons. It causes you to, makes you realize that whatever you're doing, when you're going to get persons from different spaces in life involved, you have to structure the thing, else you're going to have a deterioration.
Yes.
I know I'm happy we are doing this interview. I'm really happy we are doing this interview because, having the experience and going forward, like, me feel like me really interested to see what we can create. And understand, like, what we can bring to the table. Is that it? You have anything else that I want to express to them in terms of the people them? The people them where you're going to get involved. I don't know if you already have some persons that you're considering.
Yes, I have a couple persons that I'm consider in joining my team. And all I want you to do, look out and Cavill official. A lot more coming.
Alright, so these people, right? Do you know them to have any background in acting or the arts?
One, I'm sure of.
One, you're sure?
Yes, one I'm sure of. And also, when you gotta come and join my team, you gotta do an interview. Just like I'm sitting here with Aki. You gotta do an interview so we get to know you, know your passion, or you just come because you like it, you just want to do it. So we want to know your passion.
Yeah, the popularity and the money is a plus. But once you focus on the passion, once you love it, all of those things will follow. And if persons have been following me from ever since, you will understand what I'm talking about. And you know one thing I have to really thank you for is, I think I said this to you before, with the experience that I've had on this journey, this filmmaking journey, you see popularity, and you know it brings a whole heap of distraction. We can't really eat away from your passion. You realize like how you used to shoot videos is like, it's like you forget how to shoot videos that kind of way, you understand? It's like it takes from the passion. And you know, when you link me and say oh, you're interested in doing YouTube and you know creating content, like it spark one interest in them, because I remember those days when I did really innocent, sure. You understand me, and just full of passion.
You know what the funny thing is about it? When we see a server and give me a number, you know, it take a while to call you know.
Yeah.
You know why? Because we did do something and we know say it will take time.
Right.
But same time we call it was just the right time.
Yeah man, and you
that's
know
why it's patient.
Yeah man.
It's a virtue.
And you know the next thing too, the space is a good thing so you wait, because you see this space too, it will cause you to want like isolate yourself, because as me I tell you, a whole heap of scheming happen, like a whole heap of jealousy. Like me I tell you, I really appreciate the journey and it teach me a whole heap about myself and people. But it's crazy man, there's a whole heap of things where me I tell you, and you're going to see you know. And people, if you're interested, if you're watching this video and you're interested, we'll provide information in the description where you can reach out to us. And we just want you to know, we plan to change lives with this. You understand? Just like how this journey has changed my life, we plan to change other people's lives with this. Starting with my brethren Cavill here, I want to use the audience that I already have and what they know of me and what I can do, and fuse it with whatever creativity is in his head. As you know here, family friendly content, fuse it with that, and I'm excited to see what we can produce. That's
okay. I won't disappoint.
Excited. And one more question, or probably a few more questions. You have no kind of actor or nobody in this kind of field where you really look up to?
No. I always watch Oliver Samuels, you know. I'm going to go spend mother and my grandmother watching it.
Oliver Samuels.
Oliver Samuels.
Oliver Samuels.
Great Jamaican actor.
You know, the person, because my thing is not so much of acting, is editing. So the person that I look up to is Peter McKinnon. He's a Canadian photographer, but he also does videos and video editing.
Yeah.
So
you told me about him, yes, yeah, more than one time.
Yeah man, if you're a person interested in video editing, if you're passionate about it, that is the perfect person for you to watch. The only thing is, I follow this journey live.
Yeah.
So when he just started out on his journey, I was fortunate enough to catch him, and you know, he inspired me to shoot weddings. I did weddings to the point where like I felt so accomplished, because when I shot weddings, the bride was crying, and you know them things that just build on your passion.
Yes.
And then doing movies and shooting and editing movies and hear persons, even when me in the street, they don't refer to me as the actor, you know, the video man, they refer to me as, you know. Yeah man, the video man always having camera, and you know, it gives me this kind of fulfillment where it feel nice, but me just want to share it with other people. Like more other people like you know, bring out for them passion. Cause it make, you see, anything where you feel good and feel nice,
share it.
You know, it don't feel nice until you can share it, man.
True.
Me I tell you, even when I meet people that I was working with in the past, like it's because of the whole video thing, people tell me say, oh, them man I use camera and video long time. So you know, even I did an interview with him. I don't know where that interview is now, but he used to tell me about the VHS records, them, like some old recording thing, and you know them things that just spark the passion. Like people, I tell you, I'm excited to see what we produce, and we're already working on a project. Is just to get the right persons, and we are maintaining our patience, and yeah. So, Cavill, I don't know if you have nothing you want to say before we close. I probably have a whole lot more to say, but I don't know if you want to say nothing to them.
Look out for Kabil and Akeem. We have a lot coming. We have a lot of project working on. Just little time, you guys will see.
Alright, so when you hear that, people, just before my girl, I wonder where this nice location is. Alright, people, so sorry about that, we run out of memory, so I get the computer here and transfer the files. So as I was saying just before the video cut, the location is Lunacy Inn. It's located in Belmont, Westmoreland. It's a nice place, nice chill place as you can see, and during the interview you guys would have seen some clips of the place. They have a bar, a gazebo out there, they have rooms. I can't speak to the prices of the rooms, but you can check it out on the internet. If I get the information, I'll provide a link in the description where you can get all the information that you need on this place. But it's a very chill place. If you're feeling any type of way, I guarantee you come here, it's bound to take away whatever negative feeling you have and leave you with something tranquil. I've been coming here for years as a matter of fact, so that's it. Remember to subscribe and stay tuned for family friendly content, and yeah.